I'd like to thank everybody that watched this video, man. If you are in the market for painting your car, you can use the code LSCR10 from Grant 7 Paints and Coatings. LSCR10, you get 10% off the Oh My Clear. When you see that clear, it's gonna make you say, oh my God. We're gonna be using it in the future on something, but if you wasn't in that live, you don't know what it is. But yeah, Grant 7 Painting Coatings, LSCR10, get you 10% off the Oh My Clear. Tell a friend. It's your boy LSCR254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. The hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone. Alright, man, so we out here. It's been a minute since I shot a video. Damn near a month. Hope I remember how to do these. But yeah, I thought the best way to put this little low to the test is come to the junkyard. Little low impact to the test, come to the junkyard, running through his paces, looking for a couple things. There was a Buick. No, they had the Rivy out here. I've been kind of going back and forth about if I wanted to keep it or not. I think I finally decided I'm gonna rock with the Rivy. It's pretty much become like part of the family, you know what I'm saying? So, man, plus when you buy, like say I traded out for a box Chevy, you know what I'm saying, already running, etc. You never know. You never know what issues you're gonna run into when you inherit other people's problems. You know what I mean? Even if you give it a good once over, twice over, 3 times over, man, you can still end up inheriting somebody's fucking problem. So I don't wanna do that. I don't want your fucking problems. I don't mean to be rude, but I don't want your fucking problems. So I'ma just ride out with the Rivy, which all the issues I done pretty much went through, fixed most of everything, and we good. So let's get out of here. And I came for a couple more things, but I'll show you that in a second. Alright, man, so we back out here at the Rivy, dog. Like I said, I was kind of on the fence about if I wanted to fuck with the Rivy all the way. But I think I decided I'm gonna fuck with it the wrong way, right? So a couple things. Damn, boy, they hit the stash spot with these fucking relays. I'm gonna take these off their hands, though. I think I got enough fucking relays, bro. Anyway, they stashed some hoes, but yeah. So I'm gonna take this glove box out. What I need is like the little dope shit behind there, so that I can get my blender for my AC and shit to work right. There's really not many other things that I need out of here. See, somebody took the lights in the back. It's probably there's probably a couple Rivy owners around here, but it ain't a lot. Because as you can see, they haven't really molested this thing. It wasn't really much under the hood that I needed either. I think I was gonna like take a that grill in better condition than mine, so I'm gonna go and take the grill, because I'm not gonna lie to you, running across these is a little bit, I won't say worse, but it's a little bit harder than running across a goddamn box Chevy. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. So, There's gonna be a couple things I grab off here, no biggie. No big. So let me get busy, man, and then I'll cut you through. Alright, so as you can see, we got the glove box off. Glove box cover off. This right here is the blender actuator. Like I said, we do not make these anymore for whatever reason. Probably because they don't make the car no more. And that's what I need. So I'm going to finish disassembling all of this so that I can. And that's another reason, man. Power tools make quick work of this shit, man, versus out here wrenching and shit. Shout out to my tool brothers. Oh shit. Shout out to my tool brothers. Cat Loco's Garage. MC the Shiznit. Let's see what the fuck we got here. The whole thing, so you know, I can see how it's supposed to be done on my shit. So, you know, I don't fuck my shit up. And even when I go to look at my stuff, and it's just like, oh yeah, I know exactly how that goes. So this part right here, this little rod here, I'm gonna take this little assembly here, and I'm gonna take this actuator, and hopefully that'll put us where we need to be. So give me a sec while I get this together. We got some stuff out here. I'm not exactly sure if these two work together, but at this point, being that we are deciding to keep the computer, or deciding to keep the review, then I know that this is like the blender actuator thing. I want to say it maybe works directly in sync with this. However, I'm not exactly sure what this is, but being that I don't see very many of these, I'm going to just simply grab it. So, let's see what we have in here. Let's see, I think it's like, looks like it's maybe like one more screw back here. So finish holding it. And that'll finish, I guess I don't know what the appropriate word is for it. Hold on, let me use two hands on it right now. So this is how it go. So this, I guess, like this box here. I believe goes in there like this. And then this box here goes to so I'm gonna take a couple screws and put that back together like it's supposed to be. So pretty much this is the outside heater core thingamajigabobber. As you can see, there is the heater core. So we also went ahead and grabbed the blend door actuator door controller switch thingamajigabobber. I don't know what it's called, but I'm pretty sure that's close. That way, because I know that this is not broken on mine. However, that arm may be. A lot of time manufacturers, if they see that some parts are better to be made out of metal rather than plastic because they have a tendency to break, then you know that's what they do. So this is a 93 Buick versus mine, which is a 91. And although the body and a lot of this stuff is the same, however, you know, you could run into that issue. So like I said, there's really not much wrong. Yeah. There's really not much wrong with the Rivy. Like I said, everything else is there. This is probably my primary concern. Before, if y'all remember, it was like we didn't have heat in the car. What it felt, come to find out what it was, is this actuator here was stuck. So with that being stuck, it was stuck to cold. Now something happened, it broke, and now that door just fucking swings back and forth. Make a hard left, you know what I'm saying, it goes one way. Make a hard right, it go another way. So that should solve. Pray to God that it worked. I'm pretty sure it didn't come to the junkyard because of the air conditioning. But yeah, man, that's what it is. Now I can't grab this shit. It fell down there. Fuck! It wasn't number, you know, something said Dino Ride on it, you know. I don't even think I got them hoes, but it wouldn't be nothing to add a hole. If mine don't have that, then I mean, like I said, it's too easy. You punch a couple holes in there. Boom! Dino Ride, bitch. Dino Ride. So I was looking at kind of this right here. Mine is probably missing that. So we're just gonna take that as this. Yeah, mine is definitely missing this, now that I think about it. Let's see what else. I don't know what the hell they had rigged up here. It's like a fucking a blind of some sort. I don't fucking know. This headliner is pretty much saggy like my shit. I'm not fucking with that though. I'm not even in my whip today. I'm in the old lady whip, so maybe another day. This should, like I said, making sure that this gets fixed, etc., etc., should, you know, put us where we need to be, want to be, as far as that. Let's see what we got here. Probably just pry off another piece of trim. I did not bring like trim removal tools. So like I said, I mean, I kind of had one or two things in mind. Primarily this shit. And then that was kind of it. These dope cones is But my interior is a room. But I mean, this really the only thing that's going on with mine is like at the top here, it's like KILLEEN. So I mean, it's should be nothing to get some more glue and then press it back down on there, clean it up, whatever. So, all right, what else? Like I said, I mean, for the back, everything's pretty much good. I mean, this does have like the gray leather seats, which is a nice touch, but you know, we done already pretty much swapped everything out in the video, so yeah, this is pretty much all I need, bro. I think that should fix our air conditioning heating issue, and then I did say I was gonna grab this grill off of here, grab this emblem off of here. As far as